Hey everybody, my name is Sam and I'm a senior product designer here at AppQs. And today, I want to show you how to introduce new features to your customers with no developer required. Let's take a look. So the first thing that I'm going to do is create a new flow for my iOS app. And now I've got a few different options for my release notes, but what I would suggest is using either full screen or cover sheet modals. So the first thing that I'm going to add is some text. And this is simply going to say, what's new in version 2.0. All right, and we're going to make that font size a nice big 24. And we're going to make the weight bold. And then we're going to add a fair bit of margin on the top so that it's pushed down to the appropriate level. And we're going to add some margin below as well so that our list starts a little bit further down. All right, so the next content block that we're going to add is the icon with text content block. So this is looking good, but I'm just going to customize it a little bit to get it to look exactly how I want it. So I'm going to actually add a little bit more padding on the outside here. And I'm going to add a little bit more margin next to the image just to give it a little bit more breathing room. But now I'm going to upload one of my images, and I can use either an image file or an SVG, and I'm going to use this SVG here. We're going to show off our Slack integration. And now I'm going to customize this text, and I'm going to add a little bit of margin below this just to separate our two lines of text a little bit more. So now that I've got one down pretty good, remember that I'm going to be making a list of these. There's going to be two more in my release notes. And then I'm just going to clone this 2 more times. So now I've got 3 items in my list, 3 different features that I'm going to show off. And because I've styled them just one time, all I need to do now is change out the image and the text. So that was quick and easy. All I had to do was style it one time, and then I cloned it twice, and now we have our list of new features. So the next thing that I need to do is add 2 buttons down below. So I want to invite my users to take a tour of the app or just simply get started and explore for themselves. So I'm going to add one button here. This one is going to say take a tour, and this one's going to say get started. Now I'd like these buttons to be side by side, I think. And I actually want a fair bit of spacing between these and my list here. And now I don't actually want both of these to be purple like this. I think only one of them should. That'll be my primary action. And I expect most people are going to want to just get started in the app. So what I'm going to do here instead is I'm going to make this take a tour button. I'm going to actually make it white. So now it's kind of the inverse of my primary button. So they look nice together, but one is the inverse of the other. Now with this take a tour button, I can actually trigger another flow off of this, and that flow will show me around the app. And then just to spice the modal up a little bit more, just a nice finishing touch, I'm gonna add a gradient to the background. So I don't have to just use a color, I can actually upload any image file that I want to. And then I'm gonna target and publish. And there you have it, some beautiful release notes. Thanks for watching, and all the best on building flows.